Comparison operators are used to compare the equality or difference between variables or values. There are several comparison operators that can be used in JavaScript. This chart provides an overview of each one. We'll go through a few of them to demonstrate how they work. In this test script, we've created a variable and assigned it a value of 6. We'll use the getElementById method to output a true or false result when using different comparison operators to compare our variable value with another value. Let's start with our equal to operator. Let's test to see if our variable value is equal to 8. We know that this is not the case, so our script should output the word false when we test it in our web browser. So I'll save this file and just test it in the browser. And we can see that it does in fact output the word false. If we were to change the value to 6, then and refresh our web browser, the output is true because our variable value x is in fact equal to 6. We can use the not equal operator to see if our variable is not equal to 10, for example. This is the symbol for not equal. We'll update the 6 to 10. So we know that our variable value 6 is not equal to 10. So when we test this in our web browser, it should display true, which it does. Now if we were to change this to 6, it should display false because our variable value is in fact equal to 6. You can test out the remaining comparison operators and see what the outcome produces.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.